it's a really exciting day. We're here at our Hemel Hempstead lab to hold the first of its kind workshop looking at inclusive PPE and how we can make PPE safe for everyone, whatever their gender, whatever their background.
Today we've invited some of our customers and end users to go through the changes that are occurring in the PPE industry. This is a really important way of allowing people to have a voice.
I'd definitely recommend this sort of seminar, very informative, especially with changes from the EN 166 standard to the new standards.
It's very valuable to have face-to-face time with BSI, being able to meet the technical experts and the people that are involved in the testing and the certification.
It's very informative and it helps to make the network and meet new people, build a relationship with the BSI people.
Today's event allows you to be part of the conversation, and I think when you're representing people who don't have a voice, being in the same room as heavy hitters and behemoths in the industry allows you to have your say on behalf of those underrepresented groups.
I wish I had this kind of things happening in Australia. It's fantastic to have all these different manufacturing brands and people in the industry come together to talk about this kind of stuff. It's critical. It's been a lot of fun chatting with like-minded people. The energy's been really high and enthusiastic, and it's fun to be here.